Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Chinese language input not working in your system, then watch this video to fix it. So the only thing we can do is we need to download the proper Chinese codecs into the system. To do that, we need to right click on start, click on settings, then we need to look for time and language, click on language and region, and then we need to add a language here in preferred languages. We will look for Chinese, and there are many Chinese scripts, so please look for the one that you are going to use or input, if you can say. Now for example, I'm using simplified Chinese, Mandarin, Mandarin, I'm sorry, and click on next. Or let me do that again, preferred language, add a language, Chinese. Okay, click on Chinese, simplified China, next. And we need to make sure all these boxes are checked, that is the text to speech, basic speech recognition, enhanced speech recognition, and handwriting. And then we need to click on install, and it will install all the required files. But one thing I would like to tell you folks is it all depends upon your Windows license. Now my Windows license supports only one display language. You need to make sure that your Windows license of the copy that you're having supports the language that you're downloading, in this case Chinese. So if these two parameters are fulfilled, that if you download this preferred language in language features and you also have a license that supports the Chinese display language, then it should work perfectly for you. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Zaijan.